You guys know by now that I pretty much film every single update for the Galaxy Watch 4, no matter how insignificant it seems at first. Simply put, my mission is to help you to get the most out of your device. Last week was one of these days where I just filmed a particular update, not realizing that there is much more to it, so I'm really glad I did that. And here is the thing, nobody has mentioned it yet, and that's okay. But if you are not subscribed to this channel, you may miss out. We don't know if YouTube will recommend this in future to you. If you are not part of this channel and you are not subscribed, you may also not meet all of us, these awesome like-minded people. It's appreciated. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Samsung Internet Browser. Please go and update your Samsung Internet Browser either via your Galaxy Watch 4 or via the wearable app. Because once you do this, you now have a dedicated tile for your internet browser. The tile itself is customizable to have some of your most favorable websites easily accessible. And don't just go away yet, because there's much more to it. There's a couple of things you should know, pretty much. After you update your browser, you will be able to add a dedicated tile to your tile selection. And here is how to customize your tile to get the most out of it. It's pretty cool. Please go to your Samsung Internet Browser on your Galaxy Watch 4 in the application shelf. You basically scroll down, scroll up, whatever it is, until you see it. You click on it. Once you are here, you have the option to add bookmarks. And you may notice already, but just in case you don't, go to your search icon, enter your desired location. Once your website is visible, you swipe up and click on Add to Bookmarks, and now you have your favorite websites available. And that is important for customizing your tile, and that's what we're going to do now. In order to add your dedicated Samsung Internet tile, you can either do this on your Galaxy Watch 4, which I have done, it's just ease of use, or you go to the corresponding wearable app and you can add the tile that way. I've done this on my watch Classic here, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Simply click the plus icon, scroll until you see internet and go to the internet tile, press add, and you have the tile available to use. It's now available to use for you, but we will customize this now. Okay, now you have added the tile and you can reshuffle all the tiles in order to see whatever you want to see first or whatever you want to see in the middle or last, and that's up to you. But now, in order to customize, please press and hold until edit comes up. You see a small edit sign. You press edit and it will take you back to your internet browser, basically to your bookmarks in particular. Now you can choose your favorite website destination from here on. And that is the reason why we added this before. And now you have fast internet access. Not in terms of speed, but you get my drift. If you have anything I missed, if you have anything that you want to share in terms of the Galaxy Watch 4, let us know. This is one big open community. We help each other, we communicate with each other. In the meantime though, enjoy your new and improved internet access. Thank you for watching. Peace.